When you really start using Linux, you need a way to exchange files with your Windows computer, with your friends, and with your mobile phone. My solution for this is Google Drive, and I want to show you in less than 5 minutes how it works under Ubuntu Linux. Here's my file manager, and I see here my Google Drive folder, the normal Google Drive folder, and I can dive into it. And I see the files normally here, just normal files. I can mark them, I can create new folders, I can move them and copy them. Now, to show you how I set this up, you must know that I have installed this Ubuntu on a VirtualBox virtual machine, and I go back to the snapshot where I have just installed Ubuntu Linux. I restore this snapshot, and when I start the virtual machine again now, it comes up without Google Drive. So let me show you how to set it up. You go to Settings, search for Online Accounts, select Google, sign in, enter your email address, enter your password, you confirm that you are signing in, you allow GNOME to see all this, open this link, you can give a password or you can leave it empty. And there it is. And you can again click on it and find your Google Drive here. That's how easy it is.